Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2013 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT, black on black. So we'll just start over at the trunk area, let you have a look. So this one has a car cover that it comes with. It's got another type of license plate mount there. We've got storage down in this corner here, as well as on this side here. So that's great. You've got your partition here, so this pulls down, giving you the pass-through of more space when the top is in the up position. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this. We'll have a look from the back. It's got the nice circular tail lights. We've got the NPP quad tip exhaust. So as you can see, the two inner ports have dampers that open and close based on the RPM of the vehicle. So once it goes over 3,500 RPM, those valves will open, making the exhaust more aggressive and louder. So I'll just shift around here so you can see the rear wheel. So there it is. It's got the red Corvette calipers, cross-drilled rotors, nice chrome wheels, and Goodyear tires that are in excellent condition, as you can see. So we'll just move on to the passenger door. So here's the door skin. It's in good shape, as you can see. We've got power windows, power door release, power locks, and we've got that nice Bose stereo in this one as well. Here's your kick plate. It's in really good shape, as you can see. One or two little minor marks. This one is the 60th anniversary edition. And on the passenger seat, you've got power fore aft, up and down, power lumbar, power side bolster, and manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And in the glove box, we've got the books, we've got the wheel lock key, so that's perfect. We've got the embossed Corvette logo here on the dash. The dash is in good shape, as you can see. Looks great. So we'll just hop out and we'll close this side up. And I'll just start at the back of the vehicle and I'll scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. And we've got the chrome Grand Sport logo there on the front vent. Here's your front wheel. So again, red painted calipers, cross-drilled rotors, nice chrome wheels, Goodyear tires. Looks good. Under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is the LS3. That is 435 horsepower, and that's paired to the 6-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's nice and tidy, looks good. And we'll, I'll just show you the hood liner. So there's the hood liner there, it's in good shape. And I'll go ahead, we'll close this up. And we'll have a look from the front. So here it is from the front. We've got the nice projector headlights with the clear housings. The clear housings are in pretty good shape, a little bit of delamination here along the top. It looks like there's a little bit of cloudiness, not much, but we'll go ahead, we'll polish the exterior of them, we'll make them look the best we can for you. We've got fog lights down below, we've got the chin spoiler, a little bit of minor marks here, it looks like, but we can tidy that up. And we've got the front hideaway license plate mount here, so that's very cool. And in terms of issues, I'll just have a close look here. There's some minor stone chips that have been touched up here. You know, it's expected with the car this age, but they are there, so I just want to share that with you. And we'll just move around this side. Here's your other wheel. So it's in fabulous condition, as you can see. Nice Goodyear tires, red painted calipers, cross-drilled rotors, and same thing back here. Awesome. So over at the driver's side, we've got our power locks. We've got 2 user memory with programmable exit button. We've got our power mirrors, power windows, and our electronic door release. And again, that nice Bose stereo. Here's your kick plate on the driver's side. It's in really good shape, as you can see. A couple little minor marks, but that's expected. And here's your power seat. So again, power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar, side bolster, and manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. We'll get in, we'll fire this one up. There we are. So in terms of kilometers, we have 52,447. No warning lights, no issues there on the dash. We've got paddle shifters, so plus and minus, and same thing on the opposite side there. We've got telephone controls, voice command controls, telephone hang up here, the nice Grand Sport logo on the steering wheel. You got memory buttons here, volume controls, track change. We've got heads-up display, so there's the controls for the heads-up display. We've got a power convertible top. We have manual tilt. We've got cruise control here, automatic headlights, fog lights there, wiper control here, information center controls, push button start, and then we've got full factory navigation. If we hit this, that opens up. You've got room for your nav DVD as well as your CDs. And if we hit source, we've got AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio. Move the shifter out of the way. There's your automatic dual climate control. So there's your driver's temperature. Here's your passenger temp. We've got heated seats for the passenger and the driver. Ashtray. There's one of the keys. And here's the cup holder. Put it back in the park. We've got a nice finish here. Traction control button. And in here we've got 12-volt socket, and it's nice and felt lined as well. There's your auto dimming rearview mirror with compass and OnStar. And since this is a convertible, I'll go ahead and I'll show you the top operation. And then I just got to lock it into place like so, and we'll put the windows up and we'll hop out with it running, have a look and a listen. Nice sound to it. And I'll just show you from the front, with the headlights and the fog lights on. Looks great. And we'll scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. And I'll just show you the top. So the top's in good shape, no rips, no tears. Looks good. There you are. And here it is from the back with the tail lights on. Nice rumble from the exhaust. And there you have it, folks. 2013 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport Convertible 3LT here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.